It's Cindy with Stampin' in Dixie. Hope you're having a good day. I've been doing some organizing today, which you know, if you know me at all, is not my thing at all. Not organized. So I'm working on it. Anyway, I've been doing my paper pumpkins today because I have quite a few. And the thing I'm realizing is there's some awesome stamp sets in those past paper pumpkins that I forget to use. And sometimes they're very appropriate and exactly the saying I need or the image I'd like. And I can't get to them because I can't really see them. I had them stored in containers like this, which are just some I got at the big Walmart. They're pencil holders, basically, go in a notebook. And I just have them stacked in a big tub. Which keeps them all together, keeps everything there, but I can tell what month and all, but I can't really tell what the stamp set is. So I decided I wanted to do something with just the stamp sets. So what I came up with, this is phenomenal, y'all. It's very inexpensive. These are some photo sleeves. Also got at that same Big W store. I just put a ring in them. You can get them in a notebook. You can get a notebook that they fit in, but it was too bulky. What I'm doing is a little bit bulky for the notebook. I couldn't fit that many in it, so I'm just going to add them to these jump rings. I'm going to put a second one down here to hold it together. Anyway, I took the paper pumpkin. This is April of 2018. This one is April of 2019. Got a thing going here, don't I? Alright, so this is what I really want to show you that is so stinking cool. Alright, so on the back of it, I stamped all the images. Alright, so what I did, I'm going to take this out of the way for a second so I can just kind of show you on one of them how I did this. So let me take it out of this packet. And I'm going to figure out a different way to store all those leftover pieces, because all I want in here right now is just the stamp set. Okay, so let's do that. Oh, you know what I forgot to get was a piece of paper to stamp on. Alright, so I'm taking the instructions and everything that came with it, so in case I wanted to come back and like recreate something, I've got everything I need right there. I just folded that in half. That will fit in my little pocket. And then I took the stamp set. This is what was ingenious in my opinion, and I don't usually say that about myself, but it was ingenious. So I took this whole thing off, put it. Okay, so it tells you where everything goes. Get my black Memento ink pad, and let's see, I'm sure I've got a piece of paper hanging around here somewhere that I can stamp on. Oh, come on, be a piece of paper in here. There's nothing like doing a video and not being prepared. Okay, so here's a piece of paper. This one's really bigger than I need, but since the thing is 4x6, I'm just going to go ahead and use this side. Y'all, look at this idea, though. I was taking each one of these off and stamping them on there, cleaning them, putting them back. And all of a sudden, I had this bright idea. They're on this piece of plastic, right? So I took my Memento ink, because that's what I was using. And I just went over and stamped them all. They don't have to be perfect, because it's just needed, so I have an idea of the image. I took my card. I just laid it right on top there. I did a little pressy with my hand all over it, rubbed it good, lifted it off, and would you look at that? I got every one of those images already stamped on there. I've got my little cleaning thingy here. I went back and made sure I cleaned all of these good. It's a little hard to tell if you got them clean good when they've got the black, writing under them, but you can kind of tell that they're all clean good. Alright, so now I got to take this little piece, put it back on there. I'm going to stick this in the middle of this. I'm going to stick this on the outside. Bring in my little thing over here. And I can stick that right in there. Now, what I'm going to eventually do, I haven't decided, I won't say that. I think what I'm going to do is not put them in order by the month and the year as much as maybe put them in order by, like, this one's got a Mother's Day and thank you and birthday, so kind of put, like, this would be holidays with Thanksgiving and Christmas and Halloween and that kind of thing. I don't know that yet, though, but this is just the first ones I pulled out to work on. But isn't that cool? I love that idea. And now I can just flip through this very easily and see, okay, well, Here's some trick-or-treat things if that's what I'm looking for. Here's a Mother's Day or a happy birthday, best wishes. And then I've also got the card pictures. So if I need to look back to refer to it to use for some of these other pieces that are left over, then I can do that also. So I've got another one here. I mean, I've got quite a few of these. I've got 2 big tins full of them. And so I figured this would be a great way, even though I may not have a lot of the pieces and parts to some of them I do, but that I could store these. Now this one's going to be a little bigger, but I think it will still fit. I may have to take it off of the thing and stamp them individually because I want it to be wider and not longer, and this one's a little bit long. It would work, but it would be really pushing the edge, and I don't know that I want to do that. So that one I may take apart and do still, but and then this part too will have to go in sideways, so that's not going to be quite as convenient for me, but it's not that big a deal. I still can see that it was the donut set. Actually, I'll probably put it this way so I can see that it was May and it was the donut set, because I love that set. And it'll just go in like that, and then these will go behind it. And that is my idea for the day. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my page, Stamping in Dixie on Facebook. I'm also Stamping in Dixie or Cindy Stamps on Instagram and on Pinterest. Enjoyed visiting with y'all today. I hope this tip helps you to get more organized also. Have a great day.